Alright, we're here with Jodi Brown. First of all, Jodi, before we even talk about today's game, let's talk about the World Cup. Let's start on a happy note. Speak to me about how you feel after having such a great World Cup campaign.
Yeah, for me, I'm feeling pretty good. I think a lot of people didn't expect us to reach that far. So for me, I'm just proud of this group and know that we can achieve anything we want going forward right now. So our dream is still open to qualify for the Olympics. So we just got to go to Canada and put on a show.
And how did it feel, as such a youngster starting on the biggest stage in world football, running at some of the best footballers in the world and probably the greatest footballer of all time in Marta? How did that feel?
For me, it's always feeling good. I mean, yeah, I feel good.
All right, so Olympic qualifiers. You guys got off on a rocky start today, losing 2-0. How do you feel about today's game?
Yeah, I think we could have done a better job of putting the ball in the back of the net. So I think next game we know what to expect. We got to go out there and score goals. That's the only way we're going to qualify. So I think we just got to change our mindset and know that we got to go to Canada and beat them.
All right, and if you could give the Jamaican fans one message, what would it be?
Just continue believing. The dream is still open. Never give up on us.
All right, thank you, Jodi.
Thank you.